We're doing a beautiful RS5. Doing the interior on this thing. It's an underground garage, so a little bit dark, but it's fairly clean. And yeah, we're just gonna clean the leather and also give it a nice conditioner to make sure it lasts long. Look at that RS right there, RS5. Looks gorgeous. Yep. Wipe down the dash real quick. Doors are looking clean. Let's get to it, fam. We're just gonna use a brush and the interior on this, and we're gonna pressure wash each mat. It's all set. On to the next one. It's all set. All cleaned up, very nice. If you guys are interested in buying the brush, it comes in a set of 5. Color may vary, and it's on my website. Links in the description in the video. If you guys want detailing products, it's on the website. Look at that, RS5 right there, cleaned up. All right, next up. Nice. Sweet. Nice. It's all set. RS5. You see it now? Yeah. Yeah. Through the corner. You gotta do that. Go in here. Nice and clean. 1 second. Alright, bring the other pads. Here. Now we're gonna dry out, well, you can do the interior and then we'll put the mats back. Get this thing out. Just so you guys know, that's my big brother right there. You know, kind of give him all my experience. But yeah, look at that RS5, fam. That guy got an aftermarket exhaust, so we're gonna hear the startup at the end. Once the detailing is done, we'll have more fun listening to that exhaust right there. So I'll make sure to include that video at the end. But yeah, once we wipe down the interior, we're gonna do the leather and kind of add a leather conditioner on it as well. We'll wipe down the dash. That would include the interior basically. Alright, check it out. Beautiful. RS5 is done. Interior is looking clean. Check out the doors. The doors are good. We cleaned the windows from in and out so the customer can see that the windows are actually clean. If they see dirt from the outside, they're gonna be like, this is dirty. So, out of courtesy, clean the outside as well. If you're a detailer, they'll be extra happy, satisfied. That's all we care about. If a customer is happy, we are happy because they're gonna be doing more business with us. So, got some light here for you guys. Seats are done, conditioned. Interior is done. Look at that. Super clean. Nice. Front doors, the passenger, looking dope. Got that beautiful carbon fiber on the dash. That's Quattro. Got the screen cleaned up. See, the dash is super clean, and yeah. And we're gonna hear that exhaust at the end for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned, keep watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and we'll be uploading more awesome content. So that's gonna be dope. That's my big brother there. Smash the like button for that. And yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get the exhaust clip right now. All right, we'll get this thing started. Let's hear the sound. Gold star's gone. Yep.